If you need to request a refund from Chase Bank for payment that has been processed, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth refund process. Step 1. Gather information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number on the back of your debit or credit card. Alternatively, you can use the Chase mobile app or website to initiate contact. Be prepared to provide your account information and details about the transaction. Step 3. Explain your situation. Clearly explain the reason for your refund request to the customer service representative. Whether it was an unauthorized charge, a billing error, or a product/service issue, providing a clear explanation will help them understand your case. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions on how to proceed with your refund requests. They may ask you to fill out a dispute form or provide additional documentation, so be ready to comply with their requests. Step 5. Monitor your refund status. After submitting your refund request, keep track of its status. You can do this by checking your account online, using the Chase mobile app, or following up with customer service if necessary. Refunds can take several days to process, so be patient. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Chase Bank. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for assistance.